Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy ponytail install on natural hair. So I'll be showing you guys both a straight ponytail and also a curly ponytail. So if you're interested in this quick and simple look, make sure you continue watching. So shout out Nadula Hair Company for sending this over. I'm going to quickly show you guys what I received in my package. So I got this nice robe that they sent over with their name on it. And it was a champagne color. It was so nice. I also got wig caps, a headband, a melt band, and these two clip-in ponytails. So this is how the first ponytail looked. It was a straight ponytail. And this is, guys, this is the ponytail. Like, this is it. So you can imagine how simple this is to install. And this is the curly one. It looks exactly the same except for the ponytail is curly. So it does have a comb on it. They both come with a comb on it, so that's what we're going to use to stick it into the ponytail, and it also has the wrap. So let's get straight into this ponytail install. So this is my sister. She wants something that is very easy to do, easy to maintain, and that's not going to take a lot. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use my Dax and my BioSilk, and I'm going to put it all over her hair and then blow dry it out. Once her hair is fully blow dried, I'm going to go in with my flat iron and flat iron her entire head. Make sure it is bone straight. So once her hair is flat ironed, I'm just going to comb it through and section it how I want. So what I'm going to do first is part it ear to ear, and I'm going to be working with the back section first. So I'm going to put away the top portion. So I'm just parting it in half and working with it like that. So this bottom half, I'm just gonna put into a ponytail. We are doing a low middle part ponytail. So I'm putting it into a low ponytail, and I'm going to be going in with my got2b free spray to spray the hair. So if you have hair that is going to revert when putting gel, I would suggest using got2b free spray and spraying it, then using the blow dryer to make it hold. So guys, I'm going to part off another section in the back. I split it up into 3 parts, and I'm just gonna comb it down and spray it with my got2b free spray and blow dry it like I did the bottom section. And the last section at the back, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. I just love working in sections. It makes it a lot easier. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So next we're gonna work with the top section, and we are doing a middle part. So I'm going to make a part down the middle, as you can see, and I'm gonna work with one section first. So I'm gonna part out any hairs that I'm gonna use as her baby hairs, and then I'm going to part one section off and free spray it, use my blow dryer like I did the back, and then I'm gonna work my way up until I reach the middle part. So guys, as you can see, just like that, the side is now laid, and you just want to comb it into the ponytail at the back and make sure it is all dried together, because with the free spray it is hard. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks without the free spray and how it looks with the free spray. Now once you've free sprayed both sides, you just want to go back and do the ponytail again. Make sure it is all nice and smooth, and then we're gonna start with the ponytail. So I gave her a braid, and then I put an elastic at the bottom of her braid so it wouldn't come out. Now I'm just going to finish off the front portion, so I'm just going in and curling her baby hairs. I'm using my little small flat iron and curling it. Then I'm gonna go in with my ebon edge control, and I'm just gonna put it down at the top. I'm not gonna put it all throughout her baby hairs because we like going for that fluffy type of look. So I'm just using my comb and molding her baby hairs the way I want it. So guys, this is how it's looking before I attach the ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the straight one first. So what I'm doing is taking the comb and I'm just sliding it through her band. And honestly, all you do is just wrap it around. So there's a Velcro. Once you wrap it, it attaches just like that. You are now using your wrap and just wrapping it with the hair. Literally, as easy as I said, it is as easy as it is. This ponytail is honestly a pick up and go. It is super quick and easy, especially if you already have in a ponytail. Like if you already have in, sorry, not the ponytail itself, but if your hair is already caught up in a ponytail and you just wanted to add this ponytail clip, it is super quick and easy. So I'm just using my blow dryer to stiffen the wrap to make sure it does not go anywhere, because I did freeze spray it like you've seen, and that is basically it. So once that's done, I'm just using my flat iron and I'm going through the hair to make sure it is bone straight. And guys, that is it. The ponytail, as you can see, is done in less than a minute. So that was great. So if you guys are interested in this straight ponytail, the details will be down in my description box below. So I'm just gonna give you guys a final look of how it is going to look. Now I'm just going to remove this ponytail, and all you do is loosen the wrap and it literally just unravels just like that. So I'm going to loosen this ponytail and show you guys how it looks with this curly one. So I'm going to install it the same way. I'm going to use this comb, stick it through the band, and then literally wrap it around. And you're mainly just wrapping around this wrap part, and I'm using my freeze spray, combing it through and wrapping it around the ponytail. So guys, once the ponytail is installed, I'm just going in with my fingers and just combing through the curls so that it just looks fuller. Honestly, I like a more puffy look, so that's why you see me doing this right now. I'm also going in with some mousse, as you can see, and I'm also gonna spread it through the hair just to define the curls a bit. So yeah, it was a very easy switch, guys. Honestly, these ponytails are so easy to install. It is very quick, especially for my sister because she's pregnant and she wants to look cute with something very easy to do. So this is how the curls are looking, and I'm just giving you guys the view of how the second ponytail looked. So shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sending me these little clip ponytails, because honestly it saves so much time. So all the details once again are down in my description box below. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you guys have tried it and what you guys think about it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.